Get the pop in this bottle for popping this shit. I start the movie like this. Got all this money, I'm feeling like Mitch. Like, I don't like beefing with kids. I'm on his body like I was a sis. Bitch, I'm too grown, I don't fight with my fists. Lil' bro, get the fuck in this shit. Get the pop in this bottle for popping this shit. Feel like the king, I'm on top of this shit. When they put on my song, they start popping they hips. Let's get that boy what he want. I make a movie if he tryna stunt. I'm in no better